name is Sipska, and my simple message is illegal, then don't. This is my simple message that I can tell to people who's addicted to drugs. And one of my dreams and my ideas for my future is I hope illegal drugs will disappear in the future. First of all, why I chose this topic, and because several times I said it, but in like newspaper, magazines, or like TV news channels, I always watch drug news, which isn't a good thing for us because mostly young people are involved in this problem. And as I'm a student, and as a young student, I want to say this shouldn't be a good way to bright our future. And also, like drug selling is like increasing all over the world. The first topic I choose is about drug addictions. As you can see, 2 pictures. I chose one to drug addictions to brain and drugs addictions to outside our face visions. For the left, you can see 2 X-ray pictures, and one is saying no drug abusers, and the other one is saying drug abusers. As you can see, the frontal lobe size is getting smaller, and then the percentage of thinking space is decreasing, which isn't a good thing because we study to go to like university or to get a job. We study and use our brain so much, but by having more drug substances in our brain, it's not a good thing. Like our thinking space will get more, like we are not able to get like good grades, and it affects with people conversation. So brain affects everything. So I think it's not a good thing. For the second thing, as you can see here, like she used to be like so beautiful and she looked really normal, but as she like used so much drug, like her face got like older, uglier, I guess, because drug first affect the brain, then affect the bones, like face bone, like face shape bones, and like eye part, like every face part is getting older because of drug substances. And I guess it's not a good thing for us because how we look is our first impression, so it's not a good thing. Second thing is about drug data. I made it by myself, but for the left one, when I first started to make this graph and got data from 1999, like 16,849 people died because of drug addictions, which is a big number, but like the newest data, like 2017, like 70,237 people died, and I think this is a serious problem because like it's not a good thing, right? Like many people dying because of drugs, and like that's not a good thing for the world. And like population like increasing, it's like getting over those cycles, so I think it's not a good thing. For the second data, I made 3 parts. The first one is like if this whole classroom is about like 10 or 11 people, like one of them is getting addicted. It's like it's that serious, and I think we should stop this number increasing. And if you like get addicted, your thinking space, for 25% of your thinking space is like pushed because of drugs. And as I said, this is not a good thing for us young people especially. And how can we prevent this is by using cyber police, and if it's possible, changing the drug laws of each country. And as my idea, the cause of drug addiction is by internet, which is the many people use internet, so like it's the most easiest way to get drugs. And simply drug dealers are increasing all over the world. And I think how can we stop this is hard, but it's our turn to stop this problem in the future.